Are you planning an international move to or from Boston? Wondering how much it might cost? Today, we'll break down the essential factors that affect your moving expenses and how to get an accurate quote for your big move. Let's get started. Every international move is unique, so there's no one-size-fits-all price. Costs depend on your origin and destination, the size of your household, and the type of services you need. Whether you're moving a small 2-bedroom apartment or a large 4-bedroom home, prices fluctuate accordingly. Keep in mind, these are estimates. Exact costs depend on season, customs, and shipping methods. For large moves, full container load (FCL) shipping is ideal. A 20-foot container runs about $765, while a 40-foot container costs around $845. If you have fewer items, less than container load (LCL), shipping is more affordable at roughly $83 per cubic meter. You might also need packing and unpacking services, heavy lifting assistance, auto transport via container or roll-on roll-off ships, pet relocation services with proper veterinary paperwork. These extras can add to the overall cost but make your moves smoother. With full-service moves, the moving company handles everything, from packing and loading to transport and unloading. Typically, a surveyor will assess your home, either in person or virtually, to estimate labor, truck size, and logistics like parking or stairs. Don't forget potential fees such as visa and immigration costs, customs duties and taxes, storage fees if there's a delay in delivery. Helpful. Planning ahead can help avoid surprises. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask your questions in the comments. Safe travels and happy moving from Boston.